This video will show you how to store your credentials in Womply. Storing your credentials is the first step towards being able to use Womply to gather new reviews and respond to current reviews. But before you can store your login credentials, you have to have credentials in the first place. You get those by claiming your pages on the various review sites like Yelp. If you haven't done that yet, please check out our knowledge base article on claiming pages. If you know your credentials, we'll start by clicking Simplify Your Work and then Your Credentials. Now we'll click Add New. Now we'll select our credential type and put in our email and password, then click Save. It's very important that you make sure to put in your business credentials here and not your personal credentials, because you won't be able to use Womply to manage your reviews unless you store the correct business credentials. If you want to make sure your credentials are correct, please check out our suggested video by clicking the banner in the top right corner of this video. Once you've stored your credentials for one review site, you can repeat the process for all of the credential types. There are two purposes for storing your credentials in Womply. The first is to help you manage your online business reputation on review sites like Google, Yelp, and Facebook. The second is to upload and manage your customer contact list from sites like Constant Contact, GoDaddy, and Outlook, which will allow you to use Womply's automated email list functionality. Storing your credentials is also helpful if you ever forget your password for these sites. You can see your login credentials in Womply by clicking View and then Reveal. Now that you've stored your credentials, you can save time by fully utilizing Womply's automated features. To learn more about how you can use Womply to help your business, check out these other videos. And if you have any questions, please email us at support@womply.com.